Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create smooth zoom effects in the CapCut mobile within seconds. So here I have this video and you can see this video is a static video and I want to have a smooth zoom effects to this video. So what you need to do is just add keyframe. So first add a keyframe to where you want this zoom in to start. For example, I'm going to start here. Click on the video and add a keyframe here, and after that go to the end of the clip and just zoom in the clip like this. So it will automatically add another keyframe on your videos here, and after that you are done and your video will have this smooth zoom effect. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.